Popping everybody, welcome to another video. And today we're going to be doing a trade recap. I went 0 for 4 today across 5 accounts, so we're down a pretty penny today, but we still have this week. We still have, time to make it back, so I'm not going to sweat it. So yeah, first trade that I took today, I'm not mad at it at all. It was, in my opinion, A plus. This was the first execution right here in NQ short. We had this change in the state. Well, let me break down everything. So first TP was 930 low. We had a SMT with ES. ES was very weak the whole morning. We had SMT with ES. We had the change in the state. We also had a 15-second inversion. This is my A plus model, which is why I also pyramided on this. We got the displacement I wanted to see, so I pyramided. As y'all can see, price ended up reversing on me, stopping me out. From there, this setup, I'm not mad at it at all. I would take it 10 times out of 1,000. I'll take it 1,000 times out of 1,000. My A plus model. And then I wanted to see us continue to age the dealing range and to also continue to fill the weekly opening gap. I wanted to see this whole gap get filled. So that was the first trade. Second trade, we were still holding an SMT with ES. And from here, we got to the 30-second inversion. It was also a 1 minute, I believe. It was a 1 minute inversion as well. With this trade, in hindsight, I'm not even entirely mad at it just because of the fact that it is a 30-second and a 1 minute inversion. The SMT, we're coming out of the 5-minute imbalance. Now, we never close beneath the 2-minute. Now, usually when we have a situation like this, I will either enter in, half size, or I will just wait for the 2-minute candle to close. Now, since we did have the internal confirmation and we also had the SMT plus the higher time frame imbalance, I was like, all right, I'm gonna just enter with, half of my size and look to scale in once the 2-minute gets ran. As y'all can see, didn't work for me. Got stopped out. Then from there, I ended up taking 2 more trades. Now this trade, this short that I took right here, I took after we put in another SMT. And honestly, with all these SMTs, this was just bad price action. I don't even think that I would count a lot of these. This was just bad PA, but we had this 15-second volume imbalance. I'm gonna delete this right quick. This is a 5-minute, by the way, but we had this 15-second volume imbalance. V-shape BPR get put in, and usually when we have situations like this is usually a confirmation I need, and it was at 9:55 right at the macro, so I wanted to really see a quick move into this low. But as y'all can see, got stopped out again. And all these trades I am entering with lower size. This first loss was for about $1,500 across the 5 accounts. Second loss was for $800. Third loss was for $500. And then these last 2 losses was for like $100 at that point. Now, should I have just walked away? I probably should have. I think that the first loss was slightly larger, but it was because I did pyramid and it was an A plus setup. I'm not mad at that loss. I think that is a trade that I would always take. That was a perfect setup. Very similar with the second trade as well. I wouldn't call the second trade perfect, but it was very good. The third trade was also a good setup. SMT, higher time frame imbalance. Got the V-shaped recovery that I like to see. We also got that BPR. So not mad at the third trade. On the fourth trade, the last trade that I took was a long. Let me cut these off right quick so I can just break it down a little bit easier. Delete this. I took a long. Once we inverted the 5-minute, we also inverted the 15-minute. Yeah, I wanted to see us continue to this volume balance and then all this generated sell side. And as y'all can see, well, I can put the execution back on now. As y'all can see, that didn't happen either. After we broke back above the BPR, I didn't really want to see us come back beneath it. Price did exactly that. Price just isn't trading the best today, so I'm not going to continue to put risk on it. I'm not going to blow my accounts over it. I'm just going to move on, wait for the rest of the week. Hopefully we can, make our money back. And yeah, that's that though. Pretty rough start to the week, but we do have an entire week to go, so I'm not going to dwell on it. But yeah, with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We do have the free Discord is now live. If you guys are looking to join that, find a community, ask me questions, whatever the case may be, learn from me. First link in the description. Please join that up. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.